what about people in Pakistan? This is something very...
A little bit of off spin as well. And they're going to start first ball. Getting on and underway straight away. Room again, and that is down by Yunus. It'll be one bounce and four. Also, a little bit of move for Rizwan.
Very powerful batsman. Lovely delivery. Good start. Very, very good start. Ball going away from Fakhar Zaman. Just...
play and miss there. That one going away from the right-hander. It's turned beautifully into the onside. Timed well. Should be two at least, maybe three.
In the circle, he wanted to just go cross and look to go over the top.
Oh, just away from first. Good dive. Couldn't quite catch up with it. Just away from Kyron Pollard at mid-on. Chase for him, which he will lose. Slip in place, and that's why. That's why. A little bit of bounce, a little bit of pace. The left-hander just fiddling at it, fucker.
That was quick. That was really quick.
Oh, that one's gone away. Doing it both ways. What's going on? Wonderful bowling. Oh, he swung it away and got a huge top edge. That has gone a long way. 6 of the tournament. A little bit of luck, but he'll take it. Oh, that is a goodie. Swings that away, and it's just gone underneath the fielder at mid-wicket.
It's going to be a boundary. Once you fall on the legs, and it's easily put away. He's picked that up. He's a fielder there, but he'll not get to it. He probably will wait for the official. That's nice. He's waited on that, and he's just opened the face. That's very deliberate. That's high in the air. That will be clear of any fielder out there. Another boundary. Top edge. The pace will take it away all the way for a maximum. Catch it is the call, and that's the first kill. Saying strikes. Osama Mir takes the catch. Nice shot. Finds the gap. There we go. That is a flat. It's hit hard, and he's found the gap. He just beats that shot. There, that horizontal bat again. Just slaps that. And beautiful shot. Strong and straight. And a 4. And that will bring up another 50. 15 innings for Fakhar Zaman. Wow. Has he got enough? This he has. Maximum. Big enough, just. Only just. Flatter. This one. Cole just gets it over once again. Bottom of the back. Don't think he gets all of this. And the man underneath it does not drop that. That's the way. Look at that stump smashed. Gone. Right for the home team. Cutter. Oh, there's a mix-up. Huge mix-up. Must be out. Not out. Would you? Just a little short. Hand come off the handle, but that's gone long. Oh, he has stung that. And that is a bowler killer. Fella gets a chance to have a swing of that one. It perhaps came off a bit of glove, high up on the full toss, and it's punished, put away. Man at backward point. slashed away again. It's over the top of Dahani. And that has been nailed, absolutely nailed over mid-off. What a wonderful strike. Got him. It was full. And again, Talat might feel as he...
Armored off. That's
Reza
out.
gets across in front, and that is out. It's a terrific way to finish.
A little bit of swing, because that's what makes him devastating with this new ball. His pace, his late swing. Be up against...
Just walks that away. He's so strong on the onside. You got to keep it outside off stump. That's timing. That's such a super shot. Nothing fussy about it.
Pulled away. Will be a single. Should have been a single.
Four. He beats the fielder at backward point. Boundary straight away to start the over. Good full awareness. Worked away nicely. Onside is what he owns, Rizwan. That's a good shot. He makes it look so easy. Just moving out. Picks it up. That is his go-to zone, Rizwan. It's got...
Wait for a boundary. Is that a boundary? Oh dear. Oh dear. That swung away. That will go all the way down to the boundary for 4. Ball is for 2. It's in the gap. Double it, please.
And then Rizwan has that sweep shot.
That's well done. Surely something extra, but they still managed to squeeze in 2. Oh, is that the first one? That's the opening they wanted, and the change has worked. Hussain Talat comes in. He's tried to play him, just beating. That's the one they were looking for, that boundary. That. Oh, what a shot. That's a clean hit. Rizwan makes a room this time over Kawai's.
Got him! Swing and a miss, gets the Yorker right. Is there a twist in the tail yet? The skipper, Shaheen. Oh, bit of good fortune. He got the Yorker in, and Miller got a little inside. Oh, cleans him up. Yorker specialists. Harris Ralph is one of the best in the business, and he's just cleaned up. Goes short, punished, and punished all the way. Oh,
Many with bowling too. How about that? How about that? What a try! What a try! Brilliant!
and it's been hit straight to mid-wicket. Keeper's in, it's a chance. Gone! Oh, that's very full and out. If he hasn't hit that, that is crashing the top of middle stump. Gone. You don't get it right. Oh, that is beautifully bowled. Go for 2, got to go back. Can he find a boundary? He can find a boundary. He can find a 4. Down to 6. Oh, it was there, but it's been swung away.